Outfit.fm is the latest AI tool that's been making waves in the digital space. And if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, you're in the right place. In this review, I'm breaking down the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about Outfit.fm, especially if you're looking for cutting-edge AI to boost your fashion game, design skills, or even marketing efforts. Stick around till the end, and I'll show you how you can get started for free. Let's dive right in. First off, Outfit.fm isn't just your average AI tool. This software uses advanced machine learning to revolutionize how you create and showcase fashion designs, or even optimize retail strategies. Whether you're a fashion brand, designer, or marketer, Outfit.fm is built to streamline the entire process, saving you time and boosting creativity. One of the standout features is its AI-powered design capabilities. Outfit.fm can help you design outfits, style looks, and even suggest product pairings based on trends, colors, and personal preferences. It's like having a personal stylist, but automated. The AI learns from millions of design patterns and customer preferences to offer curated suggestions that are aligned with the latest trends in the market. If you're in the fashion business, this alone could be a game changer. Secondly, Outfit.fm offers powerful inventory management tools. With its machine learning algorithms, it analyzes your existing stock and helps you forecast trends, predict what products will perform best, and even assist with pricing strategies. You're no longer left guessing what to sell next or how to price your items. Outfit.fm's AI gives you a data-backed edge that traditional methods can't match. Another key feature you need to know is its ability to create personalized shopping experiences. If you run an e-commerce store, Outfit.fm integrates seamlessly into your platform and tailors product recommendations for each individual customer. By analyzing browsing habits and previous purchases, it helps you convert casual visitors into paying customers with tailored suggestions that feel incredibly personal and spot on. What sets Outfit.fm apart from other software in its category is its integration with social media platforms. It allows you to tap into live trends across Instagram, TikTok, and other channels, optimizing your design choices based on real-time social media activity. If you've been struggling to keep up with ever-changing trends or need insights into the latest viral fashion, Outfit.fm takes the guesswork out of the equation. The software's ease of use also deserves a mention. Outfit.fm is user-friendly with an intuitive interface that even beginners can get the hang of quickly. Whether you're creating your first design or analyzing data for the 100th time, the platform is straightforward and easy to navigate. No complex tutorials or steep learning curves here. Now, let's talk about customization. Outfit.fm allows you to tweak and adjust almost every aspect of the software to suit your needs. It's incredibly flexible, whether you're a small fashion brand or a large retailer, ensuring you get the best value out of the software without forcing you into a one-size-fits-all solution. Lastly, Outfit.fm offers some impressive AI-driven analytics. The platform not only generates insights on design preferences, but also dives deep into customer demographics and behavior. These insights can be crucial when planning marketing campaigns, product launches, and even promotions. You'll have access to data that tells you exactly what your audience is looking for, making your decisions more informed and strategic. And the best part, you can try Outfit.fm completely free right now by clicking the first link below. I highly recommend you check it out for yourself, especially if you're serious about leveraging AI to elevate your fashion game or business. Before you go, remember, I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I only recommend the best. Check out my list of top AI software in the description to explore other tools that could help you level up. Whether you're looking for marketing, design, or customer analytics solutions, I've got you covered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the free trial of Outfit.fm, and I'll see you in the next review.